has suspended all immigrant visa processing for 75 countries, including Afghanistan, Somalia, and Russia.
And also Jamaica. So listen carefully, ladies and gentlemen.
State Department says people from these countries would be a strain on American public resources. Camila Montoya Galvez follows all things immigration for CBS News, and he joins us now from New York. Camila, good to see you. It's been a while. What does the Trump administration mean by straining public resources?
Just to level set, Ed, the Trump administration is yet again moving to restrict legal immigration as part of this broad crackdown on the immigration system. As you mentioned, this pause affects immigrant visas requested by nationals of 75 countries around the globe. That affects roughly 38% of all countries across the globe. It's a really significant restriction on legal immigration. And the premise here, according to the Trump administration, is to re-examine immigration procedures, Ed, to ensure that the U.S. can properly and adequately prevent and bar the entry of immigrants who would come here to the U.S. permanently to move here on a permanent basis if they are likely to become what is known as a public charge or an economic burden on the country, meaning that they are likely to receive welfare or other public assistance to basically survive here in the country. Importantly, this only applies to people who are looking to move here permanently.